York Build brings in a large cross-section of the industry. Whatever sector you work in or whatever your services that you provide in this industry, there's a solution for you somewhere around the room.
What's nice about this is just it's a full comprehensive everything in the building industry. So when you come here, it's a one-stop shop, and that's how we promote ourselves as a business. It's nice to see it's promoted that same message on the expo side.
New York Build Expo is unique. The volume of qualified people coming to this show are a standout opportunity to introduce your company, your products, your services to America's biggest city.
For me, I spent 19 years on an operational basis and looking around and seeing the different aspects of construction and the people talking about the tools and equipment that matter, learning about the different innovation that's happening, phenomenal.
Well, I think it's one of the few expos where you can come and actually see live product across, many sectors of the building industry. So I think it's very important.
Come out, walk the trade show floor, make that social interaction with people. Best show that I've been at in a really long time.
The network has been great. It's been very informative and a great place to network and connect with others.
Aside from all of the beautiful products that are shown throughout the show is the excitement of New York City growing the future and growing the future together. I think that really comes strong.
I personally love New York Build because this is the place to be. This is the epicenter for construction in the New York market.